The 7th Annual Digital Health Hub Foundation Awards seeks to find the most impactful and disruptive digital health companies. Out of 1,500 submissions, only a select few have become finalists. Let's learn what their superpower is.
And this is the Teal Wand, the first FDA-approved vaginal self-collection device for at-home cervical cancer screening. Now today, along with our telehealth platform and our full kit, it includes everything a woman will need to collect her sample from home and then mail it to the lab for primary HPV testing, which is the leading test for cervical cancer screening. The Teal Wand was specifically designed for all bodies. It will only insert as far as needed for a woman's body. She'll insert, push the dial up, rotate. The sponge at the end is soft, retract, and then remove. And then at the end, she'll just remove the sponge and mail it to the lab for testing. Our providers will then review the results and follow up with any next steps. Today, 1 in 3 women are not screening for cervical cancer in the US. And with the Teal Wand, we can get more women screened.
Now hear in their own words why they should win.
I'm Kara Egan, CEO and co-founder of Teal Health, a virtual women's health company delivering the first and only FDA-approved vaginal self-collection device for at-home cervical cancer screening. From day one, we set out to design an experience that put women's preferences at the forefront. The Teal Wand is comfortable, easy to use, and designed to fit all bodies. And together with our clinical team providing virtual support, women can now, for the first time, complete their cervical cancer screening privately from home and at a time that is convenient for them. Our superpower has always been about getting women the best. It's not just about making sure you can screen from home. It's about designing every aspect of the experience for a woman's trust and confidence. It's been listening to and including women in the design process. From the box, the providers, the platform design, the additional follow-up, it's showing women that they matter when it comes to their cervical cancer screening and in general. Prior to the FDA approval, our team led a nationwide clinical trial in which the Teal Wand was tested for clinical accuracy and safety. But the team didn't stop there. We needed to ensure that the experience was pleasant and that women would feel confident in the process. So we collected qualitative and quantitative data from all participants. The response was extraordinary. The trial proved that not only was the Teal Wand matched the accuracy of screening in person, but it was overwhelmingly preferred to the current experience of stirrups and a speculum. Since launching in California, we continue to see the same excitement for a solution that was designed for women. The Teal Health at-home cervical cancer screening experience has been heavily researched, rigorously tested, and validated as an accurate alternative to screening in person with a provider. Today, nearly 1 in 3 women in the US are not screened for cervical cancer, and with fewer screenings happening every year. The in-person experience has gone unchanged since its inception of screening nearly 80 years ago. With Teal, for the first time, women have an option for how they choose to complete their cervical cancer screening. And now we can work towards eliminating cervical cancer in the US.
Follow their journey as they strive to become a finalist against a very strong field. Join us October 20th for the final showdown at Health in Las Vegas to witness the winners crowned.